Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make soup in Sandboxels, only way. Begin by leveling your Sandboxels surface and adding a clear broth base, then layer diced vegetables and protein evenly. Simmer with gentle stirring, taste for seasoning, adjust salt and herbs, and finish with a splash of acid and fresh garnish before serving to maintain texture and flavor. Control heat to avoid boiling off delicate aromas and serve at a comfortable temperature for guests. Choose a balanced mix of aromatics, hearty vegetables, and a reliable protein to build flavor and nutrition. Measure salt gradually to avoid oversalting, and use a small taste test after 10 minutes of simmering. If using concentrated bases, dilute to taste, and consider adding a starch slurry for creaminess while keeping the Sandboxels material stable for serving. Also rotate ingredients for even cooking and reserve some garnish for brightness at the end. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, offering voice control, smart mapping, and powerful suction for tidy homes with minimal effort. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds good, consider trying it out yourself. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate your support. Now let's get back to the video. Touch on heat control and consistency. Maintain low simmer to extract flavors without breaking down delicate pieces, and stir gently using long strokes to prevent compacting Sandboxels grains. Skim foam as needed to clarify broth, time additions so root vegetables go in early and quick cook items last, and rest the soup briefly off heat to let flavors marry before serving. Taste for acidity and texture, add finishing fat or herbs, and serve in warmed bowls for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.